Hello everyone, it's time for our weekly KO model news update. If last week's keyword was product overlap, then this week I describe it as an epic shootout. The holiday market is truly terrifying. Let's take a look at some of the new products worth paying attention to this week. After both Royal Kitchen Studio and HN Model released enlarged versions of the Gundam High Nu Gundam, did you think that was the end of the story? Well, a new manufacturer has joined the fray. A third manufacturer, Bison Model, has released a 1/100th scale Gundam High Nu Gundam, and it's not just a simple enlarged RG version. The head and torso include interchangeable parts in both GK and RG styles, and it also comes with a 1/72nd scale GK style head sculpt for compatibility with the pylon. Royal Kitchen Studio is currently pricing it at $25 and it's still in pre-production. HN Model is priced at $22 and is expected to release at the end of this month, and Bison Model's pre-order price is also $22, with an expected release in early August. Which manufacturer's product will you choose? Next, something quite funny happened. Changlong's original intention was to engage with the player community and invite them to a review, but he didn't expect players to be so wary of scams. Many players still received the RG Akatsuki Gundam, and the product received widespread praise from players, proving it's definitely worth buying. The RG Uwawashi unit is currently available for pre-order, priced at $12, and is expected to be released in mid-month. In addition, Super Studio has released an update on the development progress of the enlarged version of RG Wing Gundam, and testing is about to begin. Chiba Models presents the HG Gundam TR-1 Hazel Titans colorway. Priced at $4.10, it will be officially released within 2 weeks. First up is the HG Gun Tank Early Type from the GB model kit, a product so bad I didn't even bother reviewing it. After receiving player feedback, the manufacturer quickly released an update, modifying both soft and hard PC parts versions. Besides increased strength, they also updated the color schemes to include Suppression, Desert, Comic Book, and Field. But I still have no hope. Then, the new manufacturer, Mygo Models, released a 1/144th scale Gundam-themed ball, available in both original and Char Red versions, priced at $4.20 and scheduled for release in August. This thing is seriously expensive. I don't know who would buy such a ridiculous thing. The DG-01 Zaku Warrior Mecha series from Otani Model has officially released updated gray prototype renderings, including Standard Mode, Last Armor Mode, and Fully Equipped Mode. In addition to the main body, it comes with a large number of interchangeable hands and weapon accessories, including a heat axe, a Vulcan cannon, and a removable magazine M120. Most of the common Zaku series weapons are included, offering excellent playability. The multi-mode switching is also quite interesting. I'm really looking forward to the release of the actual mecha and the price. Besides its appetizing packaging, the Imperial Kitchen Studio has also released a new color-changing product. Interestingly, the original Char Red color scheme has been changed to a limited edition Cherry Blossom Pink color. It's unclear whether the manufacturer made a mistake and some customers received the Cherry Blossom Pink product first. It seems another manufacturer has followed Changlong's bad example. In addition, the Zema Model's FM Forbidden Gundam has also received a color change and will soon enter the evaluation stage. Then comes the most explosive product news of the week. Don't ask, it's a new manufacturer. A single gray prototype image kicked things off. AAK Model's GK-style PG scale modified Senanju has arrived. The scale is confirmed at 1/72nd. Some say the overall design resembles the Sazabi, but I think it's more like the Senanju. The model features extensive external armor that deploys in conjunction, creating a truly stunning visual effect. It boasts a multi-layered internal structural skeleton and numerous metallic details. With over 1,200 parts and a super large scale, it feels not only a massive product, but also likely to require a long assembly time. The price has not yet been announced, and the model is still in the rendering and molding stage. Meanwhile, Edda's Technologies' mass-produced model kit, Gnome, has also been updated with a new physical design. The color scheme is understated and sophisticated, and it boasts a rich array of weaponry, allowing for squad-based gameplay. The product includes a replacement head sculpt with sunglasses and an eye patch, truly capturing the essence of GEM. The individual unit also comes with a massive maintenance platform, adding to its cool appearance. Priced at $25, it's expected to release at the end of July, making this set highly anticipated. In addition, the new manufacturer Genzhou Models has released a model kit, and the gray rendering image has been updated. The overall design looks like it's inspired by Rihei's AOZ, and the details are quite impressive. Price and color options have not yet been announced. In addition, Shinsho models are offering the MGEX Unicorn Gundam 02 Banshee Norn. The antenna and collar parts have been redesigned and updated, but the shipping cost for replacement parts will be borne by the player. Then Minerva Studios released Strike Gundam Update 1.5, adding a new Strike Rouge Oatori color scheme armor, compatible with Dabin 8835, priced at $4.60 for the version without lights and $6 for the version with lights, and multiple face sculpts that can switch between MB and MG styles. In addition, the MGEX Strike Freedom Gundam Twilight Coating Wujin model has been officially released. Everyone should keep an eye on their pre-orders, as they have already waited a long time. Then an unknown new manufacturer appeared, bringing a larger version of the RG Gundam Epion. Now, almost every new manufacturer is making larger versions of RGs. Following the release of the silhouette of the 1/100th scale model kit Justice Gundam by Centauros, they also announced the prototype testing and optimization version. It's expected to launch in the first quarter of next year, which seems like a pretty fast pace. The design still follows Kai Meow Meow's GK style. We look forward to future updates to the overall effect. After many years, MOU Driving Force has released a new product, the Great Zeus, a 1/100th scale extraordinary device. Surprisingly, even the Zeus silhouette has been enlarged to a massive 80 centimeters length, complete with LED lights. It seems the display case for such a huge device will need to be expanded accordingly. Based on current announcements, it's compatible with a wide variety of 1/100th scale models, offering excellent playability. The product also comes with a dedicated LED platform and various LED flashing models. In addition, Tadpole Toys is releasing the GBN guard frame, which can be transformed into a disguised Gundam form by replacing parts. It comes with various weapon styles, and reviews are already being published. Okay, that concludes this week's new product news. There are so many new products to look forward to. Next week's reviews will mainly focus on Unicorn Gundam. Yes, I'm exhausted from writing all this. Finally, here's a product promotional video from Moyu Power and an AI animation from One Piece. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. See you next Sunday.
Listen well. The hunt begins now. Run, run, hide, hide. Pray if you wish. It will change nothing.
Fun is about to begin.
I sent a signal 3 days ago about this manhunt and its reward. We'll take advantage of the chaos to get out of here.
I'll take all the treasure.
Will the devil fruit be mine, Linlin?
Everything will be mine.
Let's go rescue Shaki and steal all their treasure! This match looks like it's gonna be tough.
Tough.
Headquarters, respond! Roger's crew is here! They're firing on Marine ships! We're under fire!
Where is Roger?
Those might help us escape from here! We won! Run fast and eat it!
It's okay, everything will be all right. Mom won't let the Davy bloodline disappear. Thank you.
You've saved over 500 people already. Don't torment yourself anymore. I will set sail to seek freedom.
Thank you.
Kamachi, I'm so happy.
Guinea.
Big bro?
Hee-haw! Do you want to join us in saving the world?